Hi everyone, let's make this beautiful artwork. Just have to cut the leaf and put it on the sheet of paper. Now the fun part, take random colors and spread it on the boundary like we're doing here. And look, it's done. We're going to remove the leaf and look, we'll get beautiful patterns like this. You can make more such artwork and it's done. Let's draw crabs today, but in a different way. We're going to spread these two colors on the sheet of paper. Now, tear the people. We're going to tear it like this and paste the legs like we're doing here. Paste googly eyes and look, your crab is ready. You can make more such crabs and look how pretty these are looking. It's very easy to make them. You can put them in a frame and your decor item is ready. We are going to make these beautiful flowers in this video. So take a tissue paper, cut circles and put random patterns on it using sketch pens. We are going to dab it inside this clay ball and your flowers are ready. Then we are going to put it in a stick. Then we are going to spray water on it and you'll get beautiful patterns like this. Make a bouquet and it's done. Look at these beautiful flowers. Let's make it. We are going to remove the bottle cap. Now cut a fruit foam net and fold it and make the petals and paste it around the bottle cap. Paste its leaves and your flower stick is ready. We are going to make leaf art. So collect all the leaves from your garden. We are going to paste all of them in this circular paper. Cut the excess part. Now paste googly eyes. You can make different monsters here like one-eye monster and look, it is ready. Let's make this rose bouquet. So we are spreading this white chalk on the black sheet of paper like this. Then we are going to stamp rose flowers on it. Dab it on the paint and stamp it like this. And look, your rose flowers are ready. We are going to add more details like we're adding this bow at the center and look, your artwork is ready. Let's make this rose bouquet. So we are going to cut the bottom part of the Chinese cabbage. You'll get a beautiful pattern like this. Now put color on it and stamp it on the paper and you'll get beautiful rose flowers. Cut all the flowers and put it on this black sheet of paper. Tug it like this and look, your bouquet is ready. We are going to make beautiful artwork using these dry leaves. So cut the leaf and paste it on a sheet of paper. We are making a girl wearing this red hoodie. Draw its eyes, its hairs. Now paste all the china leaves and look, your artwork is ready. In this video, we are going to draw different patterns on the leaves, like we are drawing here using sketch pen. You can also write Happy Teacher's Day and draw different flower patterns. Let's make a beautiful artwork using clay. So we're going to take all the clays out and put randomly on the frame. Start from the top section. We are pressing all the clay like we're doing here. We are using yellow, pink and all the colors and fill the frame like this. Now we're going to paste different shapes on it like we are making eyes and mouth and look, your beautiful artwork is ready. You can put it as your decor piece at your home. Cut different shapes from colorful craft paper and put all of them one after another on this black sheet of paper. We are drawing leaf pattern here using black sketch pen. Now put colorful clay balls on the top of it and look, your artwork is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.